Here's my rap session with the young church. Kids who are thankful for the gift that God gave us on Christmas. So today we're going to wrap presents to give to the less fortunate. Okay? Yeah, we're not wrapping our own presents. Have you ever wrapped a Christmas present before, Tanner? No? You've never helped your parents wrap maybe presents for your family? No. Well, now you're going to be able to. They're going to know you can.
I can karate chomp this in one half.
Who do you typically give gifts to?
My friends and family.
Why do you give them gifts?
It just makes me happy that they get stuff.
How about you?
My family.
And why do you give them gifts?
Because I love them.
Do you know why we give gifts at Christmas time?
Yeah, because it's special.
Why is it special?
Because, I don't know.
So the reason we give gifts around Christmas is because God gave us the greatest gift, which was Jesus, right? What's Christmas about?
Jesus being born.
That's right. So that's why we celebrate and give each other gifts on someone else's birthday. Now, what do you guys think that are some ways that we can be a gift around the holidays? Or give a gift? What are some other ways besides just giving them a present?
You could help out and be kind.
Right, like maybe even if you're helping, your family in the kitchen for Christmas dinner or whatever your traditions are. And if you can't give them a gift, Tanner, you could maybe just say, hey, you know what? You don't have to clean up my room today. I got it covered.
So how do I do this?
Why don't you fold this other side over? How I folded this one. There you go.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah, we got it. So what's your favorite thing about Christmas?
Giving.
Giving? Really? Are you just saying that for the cameras? Really?
A perfect. I like giving and getting.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh.
There's a lot of joy around this time of the year, right? How can we bring joy to somebody that maybe isn't as fortunate?
You could go visit them or just help them out with something.
Give them a hug.
Give them a hug? There's many ways that you could give. You can, many of the schools have a clothing drive or a food donation. A lot of parishes have angel trees. Or consider donating to the Children and Family Services collection that supports Catholic Charities of the Diocese of Greensburg. Collections are taken during all Christmas Masses and also online at seecharitiesgreensburg.org. Those are some ways that we can give gifts to people. It doesn't always have to be a game or a basketball. It can be food or a prayer for somebody, All right, well, thanks for wrapping Christmas presents with me. I hope you continue the season of giving. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.